Oh yeah. My bad.
Entar, bro?
I feel great.
How you been, Entar?
Good, good.
You watching the World Cup and shit, though?
Thank you. What's good? And do some work while I'm getting my haircut.
Bro. Right here on the side, I'm gonna give you a.
Oh man, it's always a pleasure.
Take care, bro.
Back all right?
See you, bro.
Tengo lindo día.
Mamy właśnie takie ceki.
Sorry, mil gracias.
Enjoy.
Ciao.
Bye, que lo disfruten.
Even like. David,
Hey.
amigo, ¿qué tal?
Boom, come all the way up. Back here, boom. That's a good one.
Okay.
You can also go squat to press. That's a good warm up for full body. Boom.
I like that.
And then all the way up. You can also go
That's gonna work the
upright row.
shoulders too, right?
Yeah, this is shoulders as well. Upright row this way, so you get the top of the shoulders.
The shoulders. Uh-huh.
You can. You're just gonna go sit up. Boom, come back down. Boom, come back down.
Oh, that's
Try to
it.
reach all the way up.
That should look tough.
You can even hold it here and do a leg lift. You can core that way too. Boom.
This is the only reason I do it all for. Every fucking day, cause y'all ain't like me. Y'all would never be like me. I'm unique. Number 2.
Be ready.
This is it. This is the road travels.
Be ready for war.
Ready for war.